Hi everyone, welcome back with the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 6th, 2020. We have two Sudokus left, two Tectonics, Tectonic with 1 star and a Tectonic with 2 stars. This one is with 1 star and this will be a number 1702. Alright, so let's get started. The first time I see here the single box already filled in with the 1. Well, that means those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Dual box, the 1 and the 2, we have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Those 2 boxes are left for the 3 and the 4. Let me mark them, 3 and the 4. These 4 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Those 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be the 3. This box, those 2 boxes are left for the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 1. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 5. Let me mark them, 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. That means that this box cannot be a 1 or a 5. 1 or 5. I need a 1 or a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes in this area. Let me mark them, 1 and a 5. That means that this box should be a 3. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So these 2 boxes could be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Wait, we see here 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright. Triple box, 1, 2, and 3. These 2 boxes, 2 or a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 or a 3 here. 2 or a 3. Alright. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 2 or 3 because we have a 2 and 3 there. I need a 2 or 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 cannot be, 2 or 3 cannot be, 4 cannot be, so 5. It's a 5. Yes. A triple box. 1 and a 3 are left. 1 and a 3 are left. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me think. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 3 because I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them. Yeah. One, three, two, 4, 5. No 2, no 4. Quarter box. What's happening? What's happening? This box can only be 1 or 4. 1 or 4. 5. We have here 1 and 5. That means this box cannot be 1 or 5. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left should be a 3. 2 boxes left. 1 or 5. 1 or 5. 1 or 5. And I think this box should be a 1 and not a 4. Otherwise, those two numbers are unclosed. So you cannot choose or have a chain reaction. So I think this is a 1. Yeah, definitely a 1. Cannot be a 4, yes. This should be a 1. So now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 5 and this should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This cannot be a 1. This should be the 1 and this should be a 5. We have a 5 here. This cannot be a 5. This should be a 1 and this should be a 5. 3 and a 4 are left. That means that this box cannot be a 4. I need a 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 should be there. And the 5 should be here. The 3 and the 4 are left. Alright. That means the 5 cannot be here. So the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 3. And then. Those two boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box should be a 3 then. This box should be a 4 then. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 4. Now we have a 1 here. This cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 5. Now we have a 5 here. Oh, no. Those are 2 and 3. Alright, 2 and 3. Alright. Let me think. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These two boxes cannot be a 1. Oh, wait. These two boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Yeah. That means these 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. We have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, alright. That means that this box cannot be a 4. This box should be a 4. So this box cannot be a 1 or 3 or 2 or 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 3, 5, 5. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box cannot be a 2. So 2 boxes left for the 2. This one or that one. 1, 1, 2, 2. Yes. This box cannot be a 2. So 2 boxes left for the 2. This one or that one. That means that this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 3. And this should be a 2. Now we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 3. We have a 2 now. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. 2 boxes left. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 1 are left. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 here. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a 1 here. That means those 3 boxes cannot be a 1. And I cannot place a 1 in this box because we have a 1 and a 3 here. So the 1 should be there. Now we have eliminated the 5. So the 5 should be here. We have a 1 here. This cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 3. This box cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Should be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be 5. Yes, this is a 3. So the 2 and the 4 are left. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright. Great. Tectonic. I like this one very much. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a few seconds with the last Sudoku, a Tectonic with 3 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.